Richard here, and a quick Ichimoku cloud chart market review of the Xetra Dax Index futures, the German DAX 40 index futures. Great rebound rally if we look at the Ichimoku cloud on the weekly time frame. Some beautiful cloud chart rebound trade there, and that only ran into trouble at the top end of the front end of the cloud as well as the turning line of the Ichimoku cloud. So these are critical resistance zones to watch out for. 24,017. If we can get past this 24,000, that would be a good thing. Downside risk is another retest of the top end of the weekly Ichimoku cloud. So keep a close eye out on these critical support and resistance levels. On the daily, beautiful rebound. You can see where we took these cloud chart support tests up, and a beautiful swing trade rebound back up to the standard line of Ichimoku cloud. Ran into a bit of trouble there, consolidating back now. Testing the support at this old cloud chart support zone, and we can see another attempt being made at the bottom end cloud chart resistance. We can see the cloud chart resistance zone here, the bottom end of the front end of the cloud, and the major resistance zone now on the daily is this zone there. But so far so good. Great swing trade back up here, but keep an eye out for any kind of weakness below this low. We could see another attempt at testing the support back down to the weekly. But so far so good. Beautiful swing trade rebound on the daily. Turning to the 4-hour Ichimoku cloud, you can see that swing trade rebound support there. Crossed the standard line of the Ichimoku cloud, then snapped back, ran into trouble at the top end of the front end of the resistance there of the Ichimoku cloud. Snapped back to find support at the standard line of the Ichimoku cloud, and then another rally attempt at the old cloud chart resistance level. So this 24,052 is a significant resistance zone. We need to get a breakout past that zone to be back in bullish territory. So far you can see the cloud chart is still bearish, and we are swing trading rebound trades in an overall bearish trend. So keep a very close eye out for a resistance test, and a breakout past this cloud chart there would be a buy signal, and any kind of rebound from the standard line here would also be another swing trade rebound buy. Downside support targets on the 4-hour is the bottom end of the front end of the cloud as well as the standard line of the Ichimoku cloud. That's the story on the 4-hour. Plenty of trading opportunities there. On the 60-minute, back in bullish territory. So far so good. We had the swing trade rebound cloud chart buy zone here. We then got a classic Ichimoku cloud chart buy signal in around here. We then ran into resistance at the top end of the Ichimoku cloud, snapped back, and then we got another cloud chart cross buy signal to the upside, only to run into trouble at the March cloud chart resistance zone. Consolidating back as one could expect after a breakout from the cloud, it's going to come back and retest the support of these levels. So keep a very close eye out for a support test of the top end and bottom end of the Ichimoku cloud. There's downside risk towards this zone on the 60-minute, 23,398, as well as it could come down all the way down and support the bottom end of the Ichimoku cloud there, as well as the standard line. So keep a very close eye out for any kind of consolidation, swing trade, rebound opportunities when it comes back and tests these three levels, and then continue the rally from there. But so far so good. Back in bullish territory on the 60-minute. 4-hour still needs to get back above the cloud. It's still bearish, so significant downside risk. The daily one still bearish with significant downside risks, with the upside resistance targets now. The new the new major resistance zone now is the bottom end of the Ichimoku cloud. It was support before, and now it's a major resistance zones. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.